Welcome everyone to my channel. This is the unboxing of the SD card right here, as you guys can see. Let's see what it's about. I'm gonna see if we can use it for slow motion with the A7C. It's about. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. Okay, this is what we got. It looks pretty clean and cool. Here it is. Here is what we got. The 256 GB SD card that can allow me to record in slow motion and in 8K footage. Here's the back of it. Here's the front of it. Let's also see it in this way. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.